Hi friends, welcome back to another Tesla Stock Weekly Analysis. Let's dive right into the charts. So last week I mentioned that it was going to go flat, and the week before that I said the same thing. You see, I'm not right all the time, but mostly I'm kind of, like 90% there. So I think that's good enough. I see something brewing in the charts. If I were to zoom in and I draw a line here, and another line here. Okay, this looks like a wedging, but if you were to really dissect this and really look close, it looks like a little bit of a wedge up. That was why the stock came down after this squeeze. So what do I see for the upcoming week? I do not see any big news to cause the stock to surge up. Neither do I see any news to cause the stock to push down. More or less the buyers and sellers has been consolidating and both agreeing that around this price is a reasonable price that Tesla is at right now. The next major stock surge will be probably around September 22nd, where there is Battery Investor Day and shareholders meeting. So till then, I see the share price just moving sideways for a little while. If it breaks this line, it may go down, but it's going to be temporarily. And if it goes up, maybe you'll end up about 1,007, but then again, it will remain a sideways trend until some big news come up. So till then, I foresee this support line at 1,412 as a very strong support line. Anything below this line is at a discount, and anything around this line is probably a very good place for you to accumulate shares in Tesla. I hope the chart has given you some sort of clarity. So before I move on to the news, we'll appreciate an early thumbs up. It helps a lot in the YouTube to reach more people. Thank you. On the daily drive forecast on the 3rd of August, Elon mentioned that the reason why he chose Texas is because a lot of his key members are going to move to a location where the new Gigafactory will be, or the Terra factory will be. The reason mainly for the Texas move is because a lot of his team members voted for Texas if they were to move out of California. So that was the most voted place. So next he goes on to talk about the next Gigafactory. A very big possibility will be in the US again. Tesla energy deployment in Canada. This project costing about $16 million to build, providing up to 20 megawatt hour of storage capacity. So the Megapack will be able to store electricity from the company's nearby Somerville wind farm and then discharge it when needed. I'd like to point out this very interesting tweet from Tesla analyst. If you are an anti-Elon, you probably hate life. I think this is a very interesting tweet because you notice a lot of Tesla Q people, look at their face. Their face is like they really lost miserably in life. Last Friday's video, I showed this rating on Tesla being the last. Okay, there was a lot of comments coming in saying that JD Power can't be trusted. Okay, thanks for that. I did some background check and only to find out they are biased towards paying customer. No wonder it got featured on electric. I don't normally come to electric for any news, but this one time I come here, they show me shit. I read the entire lawsuit, so you didn't need to. Loser Rivian stealing Tesla's secrets. Tesla wrote this. Loser Rivian instructed one recently departing Tesla employee about the type of information Loser Rivian needs. Both parties was well aware that it will violate Tesla's employees' NDA to Tesla. I'm very sure Tesla has proof on hand, and it's up to the judge if he wants to be fair. So a few things to highlight. Tesla uncovered 3 more employees doing the same shit, so total 4. And on top of that, Tesla is investigating another 2 more. So Rivian has about 1,000 employees in California, and 178 of them used to be from Tesla. That's more than 10%. Oh, loser Rivian. Oh, naughty you. So Rivian hires ex-Tesla staff who steals Tesla trade secrets, and that encourages theft. 13 of Rivian's current recruiters are ex-Tesla recruiters. Think about that. An example of a recorded conversation between loser Rivian staff is this Vince Jurian and this ex-Tesla staff Kimchi. She forwarded documents to her Gmail. How big of a Kimchi must you be to leave a digital trace, So Jurian told Kimchi, show me the documents and I will give you the job. Kimchi went and take the secrets on how to hire the best. There's another employee called Tammy Pornstar and she did the same shit. The third employee, Jessica Slut, stole engineering trade secrets the document called procurement equipment design. And there's another person called Bradley Cooper who was the manager of the charging program. So Bradley forwarded the list of highly curated groups of high-level Tesla employees who are expert in the deployment and the management of charging networks. So Rivian can do the same thing. This is my take. If you read business books or have experience running businesses, Rivian is not going to be successful. Take my word for what it's worth. The staff is a reflection of the management. So let's say you go somewhere to eat and the service staff is like utter shit to you. It often reflects on bad management. Also, businesses should focus on innovation and not doing shit like this. Rivian is funded by this botak. Flying Dildo is funded by the same botak. Flying Dildo didn't succeed. I see the same shit happening at Rivian. So if Rivian ever goes IPO, I am not investing. Concluding this video, I do not see any pushing factors to drive Tesla stock significantly up. Sideways movement are great areas to accumulate positions. The longer the sideways goes, the bigger the spike upwards. So anyway, appreciate those with the early thumbs up, invest, save.